Do you need fancy kitchen gadgets to thrive on a plant-based diet? The short answer? No. The long answer? Maybe. But let me explain. Kitchen gadgets can make eating plant-based meals easier and faster, but none of them are essential. You can absolutely make it work with what you already have. So what does a well-equipped plant-based kitchen look like? Here are my top suggestions. You need sharp knives. It doesn't matter what brand, but sharpness is key. Trust me, blunt knives are a recipe for injuries. A high-speed blender. Vitamix or Blendtec are the heavyweights, but any blender will do. Buy what you can afford. It's all about making your smoothies and soups silky smooth. An instant pot. This multi-cooker is a game changer for beans, grains, and veggies. Any electric pressure cooker with multiple functions will work wonders in your kitchen. The air fryer is the appliance of the 21st century. French fries, falafels, roasted veggies without any oil. Microwaves are great for cooking quickly and preserving nutrients. Don't stress about nutrient loss. What matters most is getting those whole foods into your body. Remember, it's not about the gadgets, it's about getting those plants on your plate. For more healthy tips and updates on my upcoming book, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.